Hello everyone, this is Uriel from NEWINDU. Our company exports a variety of machinery, including agriculture machinery and road machinery. Today I'm in Sanhe house. I will show you a machine. Let's go. I'm honored to introduce the SSR140AC-8 single drum roller. Let's look at the details. First, this machine has an operating weight is 14,000 kilograms and a power of 180 horsepower. The diameter of the vibrating wheel of this machine is 1500 mm and the width is 21 and 30 mm. Second, the engine brand is Dongfeng. Standard features include a travel pump, vibration pump, cap and air conditioning, etc. Of course, accessories can be customized to meet customer needs. In short, the SSR140AC-8 offers higher compaction efficiency, a longer service life, a safer, more user-friendly design, and a more comfortable operating environment. That's all I have to share today. If you want to learn more about this machine, please feel free to contact me. See you next time.